Welcome, it's Denton Doodle, and today we're going to be showing you South Street Cemetery.
We love traveling and seeing home haunts. It's one of our favorite things to do, especially during the Halloween season. This was a new one for us that we had never seen and just stumbled across when we were out trick-or-treating. So we came back, filmed, and we wanted to share it with you. So we hope you enjoy this. As we make our way through this haunt, I want to keep in mind that most, if not all of this, is pretty much custom made. They recently came into an animatronic, but outside of that, everything is custom designed and custom produced by the haunt owners, which makes this a truly unique experience. It looks like it's moving and alive, even though it's 99.9% stationary. The static does not take away from it, and the design and detail is immaculate.
So, how's it going, bud? Correct.
If you made it this far in the video, put a cemetery emoji, if that is an emoji, I'm not sure if that is, and a pumpkin emoji, and a ghost emoji in the comment section below, if you made it this far in the video.
This piece here really stands out, and although we were told it's a pumpkin witch, we think it looks more like a demi-pumpkin if you've ever seen Stranger Things. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit pause and read some of the unique sayings on all the tombstones, like the one there that says, hey, if you love Halloween, holidays, or just family fun, you should hit that subscribe button to Dad and Son Do It All. And make sure you hit that like button to ensure other people can see this video as well. It really helps the channel. I like these.
Yeah.
I didn't know there was a fogger.
Oh, other way.
Now, another great feature about visiting South Street Cemetery is the neighbors next door also have a home haunt. Theirs is Pirates of the Caribbean theme, and their detail is amazing as well. So be sure to check that out and look for the Jack Sparrow skeleton. He is awesome. I really think he stands out and is one of the best features and pirate features I've ever seen at any home haunt. Now, if you love home haunts and want to see more, start with the playlist right here. Otherwise, be sure to check out this video because YouTube thinks you'll like it.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And if you did, be liking, subscribing, and turn on notifications. Take care. Have a great day.